Told you, I'm going to tell the police anything, get them out for me. I'm not about to tell them what I done done.
Okay. And that the person that you heard with the gun was Nard.
Just a lie. I don't recall.
Okay. Did you hear Nard with a gun?
Huh?
Did you see Nard with a gun in the car?
I didn't see Nard that night.
Okay. So you do know who Nard is?
No. That's what I'm telling you. I didn't see Nard that night. You keep asking me about Nard. I don't.
How then can you say you didn't see Nard that night if you don't know who Nard is?
Because it's nothing just... No, hold on. You got me talking fast because you frustrating me again. I don't know Nard personally, but I know who Nard is. I didn't see Nard in the car with no gun. Like I said, they jumped on me. I had a knot, and I was mad, and I was going to get my get back. I did not leave I left by myself with the people that was in the car with me. And no, you do not need to know who was in the car with me.
Was your brother one of the people in the car with you?
No, my brother, I don't know where he was.
Okay. Why did you tell the detective that your brother was in the car with you?
Because I went for to tell them what I was on.
Did you also, in this same June interview, also tell Detective Gaither and Dennis again about meeting up with Kel at the Cascade skating ring?
I don't recall no lies I told to the investigators that I don't told them.
Would this now be again at least the third time that you told detectives about this Cascade skating ring incident with you and Kel?
I don't recall.
Again, did you also in this same interview tell the detectives about the gambling house shooting?
Man, listen, I said that tell the detective a whole bunch of bullshit and let them figure it out, let them go run, chase their tail. I don't remember nothing I said to them. They sat right there and listened to all the stories I had to tell, and I'm telling them, I'll say whatever to let me out of jail. They go for it or they don't. And guess what? They sat right there, let me talk and make up all this stuff about these people. And, you know, that just was it. I don't recall nothing I said specific, but I know that I think I said that if I did in one of the interrogation, I'd say anything if y'all let me go. I'd do anything if y'all let me go. That's my motive.
Isn't it true regarding the gambling house shooting, you gave a little more detail during this interview?
I'm going to give details if I'm a victim.
Okay. Isn't it true that you told them, you know, I kept closing my eyes, but they were shooting behind us and the wall was blocking us. They blocking off the van. It hit through the car, every car in the parking lot. After that, everyone happened to get up. There was kids. There were 4 little boys. They seen Thug and wanted to ride. The little kids, we were looking in the bushes, making sure no one was lying in the bushes. They called the police and stuff. Everyone was wondering where Thug had went, but Thug had already left by the time the police came.
See, even you fell for it. See, you take the little bit of truth that I tell and put it with all the bullshit that I said. And you're highlighting like you said, the details of it. That really took place, but you're trying to put that with all the fairy tales that I made up.
So what part took place? The actual shooting at the gambling house?
The shooting, I don't know. I didn't never see somebody shooting at us. But if the police question me, I'm trying to convince them that I know what I'm talking about. So it's easy to say, shell kill. It's easy to put people's name with crime because if he did it, why y'all don't lock him up? If I say I seen him do it, why y'all don't lock him up and charge him for it? So I don't know what or who did what. I just know that I'm trying to convince that these police that I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm so sorry. She's frustrating me. You ready? Okay, you listen? All right, I'm trying to convince the police that I know what I'm talking about. And the only way I can do that is telling them something that I know that they know. They know that this gambling house got shot up. So if I tell them this gambling house got shot up and these people did it, they'll go for all the other bullshit that I'm trying to cover up. You feel me? Okay.
You good? You good?
She said, yeah.
All right. Now, earlier I asked you what studio that you go to. Do you recall telling the detectives that the studio that you go to was the one on Northside Drive? It's Metropolitan in the Lofts. Do you recall that being the studio that you would go to?
I don't think I ever been to the studio on Metropolitan. I don't recall going to a studio on Metropolitan.
Back in June of 2015, did you believe that Thug turned everyone against you?
Huh?
Back in June of 2015, did you believe that Thug had turned everyone against you?
That's why I would tell the police anything to get them off me. If y'all watch me like y'all was, y'all would see that nothing ain't changed but the lies I told the police.
So my question is, in June of 2015, did you believe Thug was trying to get everyone to turn against you?
What do you need to do that for?
Isn't it true that you told the detectives that Thug turned everyone against me?
It's true that I tell the investigators anything that they want to hear. They want to hear about Thug, so I'm about to sit right here and gas them up. I'm about to sit right here and say he killed 19 people, all type of stuff. I'm about to sit right here and make him look like the worst person on the earth so that they can believe and let me go.
And at no point in any of these interviews did you ever tell the police that Thug killed Nut, did you?
Shit, did I?
At any point, did you ever tell any police, if you wanted to make him look so bad, at any point, did you ever tell the police that Thug killed Nut?
Shit, I don't know. I think I don't recall. I can't say what I told him. I can't remember because you trying to trap me up. I can't remember if I told him that he did it. I don't.
Isn't it true?
I know I was gonna get it off of me.
Okay. Isn't it true that what you told the detectives, which is what Demekion told you, was that it was Shannon, Nard, Yak, and Doo-Wop?
I don't recall what I told.
Sustain.
Okay. Isn't it true that you only told the detectives what D told you?
I don't recall what I told him. I thought that D was gonna back up my story, so I was trying to throw the blame on D to get it off of me.
Okay. And isn't it true that D only told you that the people who shot the shot were Nard, Shannon, Yak, and Doo-Wop?
Overruled.
What's going on?
I'll repeat the question. Isn't it true that D only told you that it was Nard, Shannon, Yak, and Doo-Wop?
Like I told you in that back room back there, D never told me none of that. I made it up.
All right.
I don't recall.
We need to take a quick break.
Okay.
What's a quick break?
What's a quick break? I don't know. Maybe 10 minutes.
You said 10 minutes? Can I go out?
Yeah, but be back in 10 minutes, okay?
I'm gonna be right there.
All right. Sorry, we had a juror with a nosebleed, so they're gonna go deal with that. Hopefully it won't take very long. But we'll break until I get word that they're good to go again.